What's up, my G Squad? Welcome back to Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Welcome to our Vlogtober series. We are collaborating with my girl, Lazy Cookin Sabrina. Her link will be in the description box of every video, and we're pushing out these videos every day during the month of October, so stay tuned. What's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. To all my new subscribers, hey, welcome. Make sure that everyone is clicking the like button. Make sure you're clicking subscribe. And make sure that you are hitting that notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a new cooking video. Also, make sure you're watching our videos to the end. It helps the channel. And make sure that you're sharing so that we can grow the channel. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And we are almost there, you guys. I know we can do it. So make sure that you share. On today's video, we are making some oven baked barbecue chicken. Okay? So, what I have here is from my local grocery store. This is some chicken thighs. They're already seasoned. That's why this meal is easy, because you don't have to season your meat. If you need to season your meat, you go right ahead and do so, but mine is already seasoned. So I'm just going to add it to my lined baking sheet that is lined and has been sprayed with some cooking spray. We use Pam, but you can use whatever it is that you have. And we're going into a 350-degree oven, convection style. Be right back. So we are back with our oven baked barbecue chicken, and as I told you, I'm gonna turn them over because we want to baste both sides, because we're gonna eat both sides. So we want to baste both sides of this. I'm gonna turn them over, and this is just one pan. I'm just showing you how we're doing it. I'll do the other pan off camera, or I probably could show you how the other pan looks. This is the pan that was on the top rack. And the one on the bottom rack definitely looks a bit more cooked than this. So we're going to baste this side, and then we're going to return these to the oven. And I think what I'm going to do is switch these to the bottom rack so they can become a little better cooked, like the ones that are currently on the bottom rack. We want to make sure we get it all in the frame for you guys. Just gonna baste this other side, and we're gonna return it back to the oven just like this. Trying to get all of it in there. Get it all up in there. Get it all up in there. Sucked up in there. Like Stovetop Kisses say. Get it all sucked up in there. Alright. So, we're gonna return this one back to the oven, and we'll be right back, and I'll baste the second one with you. Okay, so here is our second batch of chicken thighs, seasoned chicken thighs, and as you can tell, they're a little more sticky than the first batch. Like I said, these were the ones that were on the bottom. These are basically done, especially these because they came from the bottom. I'm just unsticking them here, and we're gonna put some barbecue sauce on the other side. And we're gonna put this back on the top rack. We're gonna put it back in the oven on the top rack. At this point, because this one is almost ready to go, we are going to baste it, let it cook maybe 5 to 8 more minutes, and then flip it over, baste it again, and let it go another 5 minutes or so. All right, you guys, we are back with the top shelf barbecue chicken. I'm just flipping it over, and we'll get one last basting on here. One last baste. And then, you guys, this is it. This is what you want your chicken to come out looking like. Those little darker pieces look like they've been on the grill. And we're gonna put this back on the top shelf for maybe 5 minutes, and then that is it. So here's your barbecue chicken, you guys. Make sure, if you like videos like this, that you click the like button, click share, because we want to grow our channel. As I said earlier, we're on a road to 1,000 subscribers, and we are almost there. So get the clicking, get the clicking, and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. And we will see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Here goes your barbecue chicken, y'all. I'm trying to hold it up so you can see. There's that barbecue chicken.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best channel on YouTube. So make sure that you spread the word and you get us to that 1,000 subscriber mark. We are so close. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.